Hello, welcome back. If you're joining us for the first time, my name is Leanne. I'm a registered and licensed dietitian, and I have a degree in culinary arts. And I'm happy to partner with CDR Naturals to provide to you a cooking demonstration today. Our goal is to add value. We want you to learn and feel empowered to cook at home. Today we're going to be making our own homemade popsicles. This is a favorite summertime treat. It's perfect for this time of year. Some advantages of making your own popsicles are you know the ingredients that are going in your popsicles. There's no artificial colors or artificial flavors. It's also a great way to get your family involved in the kitchen. The typical store-bought popsicle has a lot of added sugar. So let's talk about added sugar just for a minute. Too much added sugar may cause heart disease, diabetes, blood pressure and cholesterol issues, and obesity. The current recommendation is no more than 9 teaspoons of added sugar per day for men and no more than 6 teaspoons of sugar per day for women and children over the age of 2. Just for reference, the average 12-ounce soda has 8 teaspoons of added sugar. So what's the difference between natural occurring sugars and added sugars? Natural sugars are found in products naturally occurring. So for example, fruits or milk. Added sugars are added during processing or at the table. So for example, adding sugar to your coffee or adding brown sugar to your oatmeal. When I was researching recipes for homemade popsicles, a lot of the recipes that I found that had yogurt in them had flavored yogurts. And flavored yogurts have a lot of added sugars. So what I decided to do is just use plain Greek yogurt and just add a little bit of honey. You can choose to omit the honey if you would like. So today we're going to be making a peach strawberry yogurt popsicle. The ingredients for today are frozen strawberries. I've taken frozen strawberries with a tablespoon of honey and a little bit of water and I pureed them up. I also have some frozen peaches. I added again a tablespoon of honey and a little bit of water and I pureed them up. The other ingredient I'm using is plain Greek yogurt. What I've done is I've put the Greek yogurt into a Ziploc bag, a large freezer Ziploc bag, and I'm going to cut the tip off, and that way it's easy for me to pour it into the popsicle mold without, getting it all over the sides. You could also do it with a piping bag, or if you want, you could just do it with a spoon as well. For the popsicles, we've got standard popsicle molds. You can get these usually at any store. I'm going to just layer basically fruit, then yogurt, all the way to the top. I'm going to start with the peach. Take my bag with the tip cut off. More fruit. Yogurt. And then I'll put a little bit more fruit on top. Put off there. And then you just put the lid on. You want to freeze these for at least 6 hours. I think overnight is best. There are other additions that you can add to your popsicles. I've seen like watermelon mint out there. You can also add things like sparkling water. We actually have a recipe where you add unsweetened coconut milk instead of yogurt. Pureed bananas, chia seeds, so the options are pretty endless. The popsicle recipes that are going to be included with this video are the peach strawberry yogurt, lemon blackberry, and orange coconut mango. What I really like about the orange coconut mango is it has chunks of frozen mango in it, so it adds some nice texture. That's something else you can do with these popsicles as well. You can add different chunks of fruit to add that texture in. We hope you enjoyed this video and we hope it inspires you to get in the kitchen at home. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.